Hi friends, welcome to Interactive Medicine. In this section, we are going to talk about the conditioned and unconditional reflex in relation with parasympathetic and sympathetic nervous system. For answer these types of questions, basic concept, we have two steps. First one, identify is the situation parasympathetic nervous system or sympathetic nervous system. In parasympathetic nervous system, we can see these signs, and in sympathetic nervous system, we can see these kinds of signs. I will write here. In parasympathetic nervous system, it's a relaxed mode. It includes hypersalivation, constriction of smooth muscle, decrease in heart rate, constriction of pupils, secretions from glands increases. In sympathetic nervous system, it's a panic mode. It includes hyposalivation. We can see in some patients dry mouth, relaxation of smooth muscles, increased heart rate, and dilation of pupils. It is done by relaxation of sphincter pupillae, decrease in secretion from glands, and second step is identify the reflex is conditioned or unconditioned. So conditional reflex means it is a reflex developed during lifetime. We are trained or we have past experience about the situation. For example, sudden brake by driver if he see an obstacle in front of his vehicle. Student during exam, he have past experience about exam. Athlete in the race is also same mechanism. In unconditional reflex, which means the reflex present at birth and there is no past experience. For example, in child, the reflex in the child or infant, because he don't have any past experience or trained skills, the sudden blow to the abdomen, blow to the abdomen by another person leads to cardiac death. Strong blow to the abdomen, he died because of heart attack. This is the one of the question, which reflex? So strong blow to the abdomen, it is unconditional because he don't have past experience. Why heart attack? Because blow to the abdomen, it leads to the, if there is a solar plexus, so it is innervated by vagus nerve and it supplies the parasympathetic activity. So reduction in heart rate suddenly occur, it leads to cardiac death. So the answer is parasympathetic unconditional reflex. So second one, athlete in the race have dry mouth and increased heart rate because he is tensed before the race, and it is a condition because he already know it's a race and it's a test. And dry mouth and heart rate increasing is sympathetic nervous system. Also in the case of student in the exam same. Okay friends, I think this video is helpful for you. Thank you. Have a nice day.